Meet our wise friend the turtle, who embodies slow and steady progress. With patience as his guide, he navigates life's challenges.
As we learn from our turtle friend, patience is not about being slow, but about being steady and focused on our goals.
By embracing patience and slowing down, we can find peace in the process, rather than just focusing on the end result. As we cultivate patience in our lives, we begin to see that progress is not always linear, but rather a journey of twists and turns. Patience allows us to appreciate the small victories along the way, rather than just focusing on the end goal. By embracing patience, we can develop a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the world. Patience is not just about waiting for things to happen, but also about taking action towards our goals. As we cultivate patience, we can develop a greater sense of resilience and ability to handle life's challenges. Patience allows us to see that even in stillness, there is always movement and progress happening. By embracing patience, we can find peace and contentment in our own pace, rather than trying to force progress. Patience is a powerful tool that can help us navigate life's challenges with greater ease and confidence.